I connected Granola to Claude Code, and now my AI remembers every meeting I've ever had. I can ask what a client asked 3 weeks ago, what I promised to deliver, who was on the call, and it just knows because it's reading my actual notes. So here's the thing about note taking, right? We've kind of solved how to capture notes. There's a lot of different ways to do this. We've got the transcripts, we have the recordings, we have the AI summaries, we have all these notes in different apps. So capturing the meeting isn't really the problem anymore. The problem is what happens afterwards. We don't want the notes from them just to sit in a folder and die. Granola is going to help you reason across everything that you have ever captured. And Granola does that and much more. So this is Granola, the AI notepad for back-to-back meetings where you get the notes, actions, and memory without a meeting bot. One of the most annoying things that you can ever have with a meeting is asking permission to have a bot enter the chat room, right? It also takes, it's just another person in there that's just taking notes, and that can just kind of be annoying. Well, this doesn't do that. You don't have to wait for a bot to come into your meeting. It just takes the recording from everybody that's on the meeting and yourself and is live transcribing them and taking notes at the same time. And then also they have an MCP server, which I'm going to show you, that you can connect to Granola to do way more with it, which we are also going to demo in this video. Okay, well, the first step is that we need to get started with installing Granola AI. So if you go to Granola AI, like I have here, this is what it looks like. And so you're just going to download the app for free. So it's available for Mac OS, Windows, and iPhone. Just go ahead and download that, and then we're going to start the software. And once you get it started, it'll ask you to log in. You will get a free trial. Like you can see down here, I have a business trial with 30 days left. I just started this yesterday, and you will be able to get started right away. So let's just walk through this really quick on what this is. So we have the home, and I have connected my Google Calendar. So right now for today, I don't have any meetings coming up on a Saturday, which is good. And then I have all of the meetings that I've had yesterday. Okay. And then what I have anything that's shared with me. I could also chat right here inside the app with my meetings to get any information, right? If I want to extract items from my meeting notes, like I had said here, it's going to scan the most recent meetings in my folders, read the notes, etc. I also have separated spaces on the left-hand side here for different notes depending on what they're for. So my school clients right here, these are prospective calls. Here's user interviews. These are just mock-up. And then I could actually talk I could talk with Granola AI about all of these notes, or basically recordings, okay? But one of the best things about Granola, which I'm about to show you, there's no bot that enters a meeting whenever it's scheduled. That's amazing, right? It's kind of annoying when you say, oh, do you want to give permission to this bot, right? So then the person has to permit it, etc. Well, here, you don't have to worry about that. So what I'm about to do is I'm going to replay a video, and it's going to record what they're saying and also me at the same time. And we're going to see it on the right-hand side. Okay, so I'm going to replay the video, and you can see it is kind of go full screen. This is the creator, I believe, of Granola. And what I'm going to do is resume.
Transcribe your meetings and turn your short, scrappy notes into something much more beautiful.
And we're going to see that's going to go ahead and take right away. It's also going to record what I'm saying as well. So you can see it's happening live in the chat. Doesn't necessarily matter what he's saying right now, but it's recording both people. And the best thing is the other person doesn't have to know they're being, that's being recorded, and at the same time, it's also recording myself. So we have the full transcript. And then I'm basically just having it regenerate notes based off what it just reread or re-recorded again. But we're going to move on to step 2. And now, instead of using the app, we can now connect this with Claude Code and do way more with these notes. So let's see how we do that. Granola has their own MCP server. I have a link for the exact line you'll copy and paste, but I'm going to paste that right here. It's going to then add the MCP server. It already exists, so I don't have to worry about it. But now, if I just say Claude, if I just start up my Claude Code on my local terminal, and now I'm going to type /MCP. I am going to go to Granola. It needs authenticated. I'm going to go ahead and authenticate. It's going to put that there. I do not want it there, so I'm going to open up Google Chrome, paste that link that it had given. This is just to simply sign in, right? Just so it can authenticate. So I'm going to continue with go ahead and continue with my Gmail account, access my Google account. Good. So now if we go back to terminal, it should be done. And yes, it says authentication successful. Now we are connected to Granola. So the first thing I want to ask is what tools are available with Granola MCP? Okay, so this is just going to now return the list of tools that we can access. And we can basically access all of our notes, all of our meetings, all the folders that we have. We actually query specifically. And this is great. This is really all we need, because then from here, once we have the notes, then we can do anything else with them. All right, now we're going to go on to our first demo of what you can do with this. So I'm going to go ahead and just paste this prompt, and it says, look through my meetings. What questions do clients keep asking me? Give me 5 video ideas based on the patterns. So now it's going to go through all my meetings. I think I have about 12 total. So it's first going to dig the meetings to find recurring client questions. Okay. And this is great. So while this is running, this is just how simple it is. We just install the Granola MCP server. We have Granola running that has access to all of our meetings that is going to be recorded while we have our meetings, right? You don't have to, like I mentioned, worry about permissions or anything. It's just going to record you and the other person or other persons that are in that meeting. Okay. And so once that is done, it automatically saves it and transcribes it and gives you notes by itself. You can also add notes yourself as well on the Granola app. But here we are. It's going to pull everything and give us something that the clients have been asking for. All right. So it came back, says the recurring questions, your real FAQ. Do I need to know how to code? How long before I see results? And you see, it's giving the people that have mentioned that as well. So how do I stay consistent enough to post daily? That's new universal. Marcus raised it twice. It's Jenna's number 2 worry. Okay. This is great. And then with that, now it gave me 5 video ideas that I could do based off of those notes and meetings that I had with customers, right? And I had not actually looked, I didn't need to look at the transcript or review them, because I can talk with them right here within Claude. And this is amazing. This is just one demo of what you can do. Let's try another demo. And now another scenario is that sometimes whenever you have had these meetings, you do need to draft follow-up emails. Okay, so I can see what meetings I had yesterday or even the day before, whenever you had these meetings, and then just say, can you draft follow-up meetings in my tone? Okay, because I'm in Claude Code. It already has some memory of how I speak and how I would kind of write the emails. And I have Gmail connected already. So this is great. I have the meeting notes, what we had talked about in those meetings, and now I can just simply draft follow-up emails. And now it's actually asking me questions. Which of yesterday's meetings should I draft follow-up emails for? Let's just do the sales, prospect, and clients. These are all kind of fictional scenarios. These aren't like real ones that I've had. So it's going to pull the details from each of the 4 sales calls. So the follow-ups are specific to what was actually said, right? So it's going to just use the tools with Granola MCP server, and then it's going to come up with the emails and draft them for me. Okay, so it found, it said, Priya wants to start a channel, subject, your channel, where to start. Hi, Priya, great talking with you. It's going to go through, and this is a draft by me. Okay. So it actually did it for David, Jenna, and Marcus. Now it's asking me to push these into Gmail as drafts. And now it wants me to push these into Gmail as drafts. I'm going to say yes. And as these are fictional, I just want to come up with example names. So we're going to go into my Gmail and make sure that it actually drafted these Gmail drafts. All right. It says that all 4 drafts are saved in my Gmail, ready to review. So let's look for Priya, your channel, where to start. So now if I go in here, you can see your channel, where to start. Priya is right here. This is a draft inside of my Gmail, and I can then just edit this if I want to right here, and then just simply send. Okay. And I did it for all of those. Here is David. There is Jenna, and I believe there is Marcus. So those are all 4 drafts that we have done through Claude Code. And the amazing thing about this is because Granola has an MCP server now, you can use Claude Code to do so many things, right? If you have new meetings, you can have it set up to where it sends things to your Slack as well and give you simple updates so that your whole team is notified. All right, great. So now for the next demo, and this one, which is, I think is be really great to have data on, is I'm going to go through Marcus because I think I've had quite a few calls with him. And so I'm going to have this problem. So pull all my meetings with this client. The client is Marcus Bell, and it's going to go through all that and draft a scope proposal based on everything that we have discussed. Okay. So it's going to go back through every conversation I had, find everything we've done with Marcus. And then based on all of our talks, because I know he is a potential school client, I want to draft a proposal that is right and fit for him. And so it just took a minute to find everything about Marcus, but eventually did. And we got the discovery call, the follow-up, and the scoping. Okay, so here is the proposal. So it's prepared for Marcus Bell, founder and founder of Bell Coaching. So it's saying where Marcus is currently, and it says is giving me a roadmap of also what I'm going to build with him, right? So these are all the things that is come up with based on everything that we have already talked about, okay? So it says how we will work. So done with you, the weekly check-ins throughout the build phase so we get early wins. It gave us timeline of 6 to 8 weeks, right? And here is everything we need to do. It's also the proposal, right? So it's going to give us the monetary base. So it's actually saying right here, prices are placeholders in brackets, 3,500 for the core and 500 for for the add-on, I think, for the thumbnails. So this is amazing. This is absolutely what makes this special, especially that you can connect it to Claude Code and do so much more with that. This can connect to everything else, because if you want to set up a meeting, right, you can set this up with Calendly or your Google Calendar, create the event there, and then send that to Marcus with an email. Right? That would be hard to do just in the app itself. But with Claude Code, you can also edit it and format in the way your voice and your brand is so that they know it's from you. So here's why these two together are more than the sum of the parts. Granola is the capture layer. It quietly, reliably turns every meeting into a clean, structured note, while Claude Code is the reasoning layer, right? It reads across all these notes and then actually does something with them, as we have seen, and makes the connections to the outside world, such as your email, Slack, calendar. You could even go to Calendly to set up calls as well. There's so much more that you can do, right? You can actually put this in your notes as well. If you have a separate Notion database or some other database, this can all be saved there through Claude Code. It's just all compounding. Okay, so if you want to set all this up yourself, I'll put everything you need down in the description below. Granola is free to try. And by the way, if you click on the link below, you will get the free trial of the business class of Granola for free, which includes everything from basic, and you get all the MCP integration that we just went over through this video on how to use, and you get the advanced integrations like Notion, Slack, HubSpot, and Zapier to make your life easier. Again, I'll have the link. I am being sponsored by them, and I'll also have the MCP connection to Claude Code in the one command that I already showed you as well. Go connect your meetings with AI and tell me in the comments what you would do first with that. And if you want to see more ways I am using AI to help others with their content and their business, I have a link to my free school community in the description below.